Hello and welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm bringing to you a few items I picked up in the store and in the mail. And if you'd like to see what those things are, stay tuned. So today I am finally getting around to opening up some items I ordered in the mail and I picked up at the store probably about 3 weeks to a month ago. I know I'm pretty bad about stuff like that, but there's a lot going on at this time of the year. So the first thing I want to show you is I ordered some stuff from Baker Creek. I've already opened up that package because I had live plants in there, and I will insert a picture of what that live plant is. I picked up some longevity spinach and I picked up some more burdock root. My burdock root was a gift to me from, I just had his channel name in my mind and my mind just went blank. I'm so terrible. Charge it to my head and not my heart. I'll put the channel name in the description box and also put a link to the channel. But I got some burdock root as a gift from another content creator and I only had 3 little seeds left. Can you see those? And so my burdock root has been struggling this year because it's just been so hot, and every single time I try to start it over, the heat just kills it. So I had to pick up some more burdock root. I picked up some items from Botanical Interest. I just opened up the box, but I haven't looked in it and I don't remember what is even in here. So let's get into this together. Botanical Interest was having a sale. I think they had like 50% off or something like that. So love their packaging, by the way. Ooh, I picked up a few things, y'all. It's like Christmas. Okay, so I needed this in my life. They sent me a thank you flower, and it is a tall sunflower. And if you know anything about me or my channel, I love sunflowers. So before I go into this, I want to say, hey, how is everybody doing? Thank you for watching my videos. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. And even if you're not subscribed, thank you for coming back and watching. I greatly appreciate all who watch and all who keep coming back. But so I got that out the way. Not that that's not important, because it is very important to me. But sunflowers, oh, I'm so excited. Oh, most definitely. I have to see how much time this takes to grow. If I have enough time, this might get into the garden. I also picked up, well, I didn't pick that up, but I'm glad I got it. I picked up some purple cosmic carrots. I received a purple cosmic carrot for free when I went to a seed swap so many years ago. It's been about like maybe 3 or so years ago I went to a seed swap, and this year was the first time I tried to grow the purple cosmic, but that pot flooded and I lost all of them. So I want to try purple cosmic carrots. And of course, if you know anything about Botanical Interest, when you do shop from them, they send you a seed guide. This is a very good guide. It has lots of reference and material in here regarding starting from seed and all that good stuff. So if you've never ordered anything from Botanical Interest, I recommend trying. I like their seeds. Now I ordered some, these are called moose melons, but I picked up some from Baker Creek several years ago, and Baker Creek calls them gherkins, and this is what they look like. They look like tiny little watermelons, but they're actually like cucumbers. They're in the cucumber family. Cucamelons, mouse melon, And mine, I have not been able to get them to germinate. So I bought some new seed, and I would love to be able to have some melons. So since I have more time in the growing season, these are definitely getting into the garden maybe today. What I'm going to try to do here very shortly is I want to grow my onions from seed. I don't know how successful that's going to be, but that's what I'm going to try to do. So I picked up some onions. I have a yellow Garnix PRR onion bulb. And if I'm not mistaken, I have to grow the short day. I think that's what I ordered. So these are one of the packs of onions that I picked up. I put some beans in, some bush beans in the garden, and then I went away for about a week or so. I put in 2 types of bush beans, and something just ravaged one whole bed of beans. So I had to go back and replant. So I ordered some burgundy bush green beans, royal burgundy beans. And even though I'm not 100% a fan of beets, my spouse doesn't mind eating beets. So I picked up another pack of the golden beets. I'm giving them a try. I really am. But yes, the golden boy beet, I do have a pack of that. I have been only slightly able to grow these. I have a couple of them in the garden right now, but I haven't been able to grow as many as I would like to grow. I put the seed out and something happened. So more beets. And one of my personal favorites is the Oregon sugar pod pea, the snow pea. This is like the flat pod. Love to eat these as snacks, so I bought another pack of these. I cannot have enough of these. And I keep hearing great things about the atomic red carrots. So I bought some atomic reds. When I normally put carrots out in the garden, I am normally putting out the Kaleidoscope carrots. Those are one of the favorites that I like to grow. So these 2 carrots, the cosmic purple and the atomic reds, will be new carrots for me. I think these might even be in the Kaleidoscope ones, but they call them something different. Now, what'd I say, y'all? These are called callipee. That's weird. Anyway, I'm used to them being called kaleidoscope, but they're the rainbow carrots. They have the yellow, the red, the white, the orange, and I like these, but I'm gonna give those a try. These I have in the garden right now. Last but not least, for my seeds, I actually have this growing in the garden for the first time ever. Yes, I have bought, I want to say 2 or 3, this will be my third pack of moonflowers. And I have not been successful with moonflowers. I can get them to germinate indoors, and when I transplant them out, something always happens and they die, or they just don't germinate. Now, this particular seed, what you have to do is you have to scratch it. If you don't scratch the hard surface of this seed, it is not going to germinate for you. Now this one feels different than the ones I have in the garden. That's weird. The one I have in the garden is a really, really thick, big, fat seed, and this one doesn't feel like that. I'm gonna have to open this up and see what this one even looks like. I think this is the vining variety, if I'm not mistaken. I have to read and double check, but either way, the one I have in the garden right now is a vining variety. I planted it probably 3 or so weeks ago, and I scratched the seed, I soaked the seed overnight, and then I put the seed in the garden, and voila, in all this heat, that seed germinated, and my plant is growing nicely and is beginning to vine up. So I'm going to have to stake it here very soon. But yes, moonflowers. I want moonflowers in my white section of my garden. So that's all the seeds I purchased from Baker Creek and Botanical Interest. And then I went to the store. I was out and about, and I found something that I want to put in the garden for fall. Now, I have not looked in this bag since I bought this item. and I'm hoping it's not germinating and it's not dead, but we'll see. I went to one of the big box stores out in them streets, and they had garlic, and it is it says 3 plants, which is weird because of course you all know there'll be more than 3 plants in here, but 3 plants. So you get three y'all. I'm just getting off of work. 3 bulbs, because each one is a clove. And so you get 3 of them each. And I happened to walk down the aisle, and the aisle was decimated. They had hardly anything in the aisle where they normally keep the strawberries and blackberries and the seeds and things and garlic and the flowers. And they had 3 of them left. And so I picked up all 3 packets because I want to put garlic in the fall garden. And they're all still hard. They don't appear to be rotting. They don't appear to be germinating. But I was so excited to find garlic. They smell like garlic. They smell good. They don't smell like they're rotting. So garlic. So I will definitely be planting garlic this fall. And I was so excited to see it. Because right now, if you look online, they tell you to, you know, order your garlic, order this, order that. It's that time of the season. And that's all I have for you all today. I'm so glad you all decided to join me in this quick video. I wanted to bring you here today and show you some things that I picked up that I'm going to be putting in the garden. I'll be putting some of these seeds in the garden, if not today, this weekend and in the fall. My peas will be going in the fall. I can put beets in right now. My carrots will be going in the fall. I've already resown my bush beans, and I have already started some onions already. I will be starting some more onion seeds, and I will be starting the melons this, if not tonight, sometime this week or this weekend, because the weekend is quickly approaching us. So again, I want to thank you all for joining me today. I greatly appreciate you coming to watch my videos. All of you all's comments are greatly appreciated. So do me a favor, like this video, subscribe to the channel if you like, leave me a comment, share the video, and I hope to see you again in the next one. Have a good one, everybody. Bye.